Hello students, patterns and symmetry, part 2. Today's topic, patterns and symmetry. Subtopics: 1. Turns and patterns. 2. Magic square. 3. Magic hexagon. 4. Square number. 5. Triangular numbers. Turns and patterns. A pattern is a repeated sequence of shapes or designs in a definite order. This you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all patterns. All these. Now see this. The designs are arranged in a pattern, or you can say the shapes are arranged in a definite sequence. That is what pattern. It is also arranged in a definite sequence. This also arranged in a definite sequence, and see this also arranged in a definite sequence. Look at the following patterns and their turns in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. A. Repeated with 1/4 turns. What this turn is? Clockwise. Finally turns, that is equal to 3/4, that is 270 degree. B. Repeated with 1/4 turns. This turn is what? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. See, this will go like this way. Here. After then this. After then that. This is what? Clockwise. And this number B, anti-clockwise turn. Repeated with 1/4 turns, and finally it turns into 3/4 by 3/4, that is 270 degrees. Now see how this is what? Shape. First turn is what? 90 degree. Second turn is what? Again 90 degree, comparable to this. And third turn is what? Again 90 degree, comparable to first figure. Now final turn is what? 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree, plus 90, that is equal to 270 degree. My practice time 2. B. This, see this figure? Turn is what? 90 degrees. Here the turn is what? Comparable to this, again 90 degrees. Comparable to this, again 90 degree. Comparable to this, again 90 degrees turn. Now see, when I will compare this and this, 90 degrees turn. When I will compare first figure with the second figure, that will be 180 degree turns. After then first figure with this third figure, that will be 270 degrees turn, and last figure finally 360 degree turns towards which side, which direction? Clockwise direction. Which direction? Clockwise direction. E. Now see, stars. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, final, when it will come, it will turn into 360 degree. See how many turns. Here is first turn, 60 degree. First turn is what? 60 degree. Comparable to this, second turn is what? Again 60 degree. Comparable to this. Third turn, again 60 degree. Fourth turn, again 60 degree. Means 6. This turn is what? 60 degree. After then 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degrees. And if there would be again one figure, it would have been final turn, that would have been 360 degree. But 360 degree we are not supposed to do. And the turn is what? Again clockwise. Turn is what? Again clockwise. Magic square. A magic square is a square grid in which numbers are arranged such that the sum of the numbers in any row, any column or any diagonal is the same. Just see how. Let us see a 4 into 4 magic square numbers with numbers from 1 to 16. In magic 4 into 4 magic square number, we are supposed to take only 1 to 16 numbers. Now see, in the above square, the sum of the numbers in any row, any column or any diagonal is 34. Just see how. See this row. These are rows. See this row. 1 plus 14, 15 plus 15, 30 plus 4, 34. Now this row, when numbers in this row are added, that is equal to 34. Now see this. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, that is 25. 25 plus 9, that is 34. Sum of these numbers in this row are 34. Like this way, this row will also contain 34. Sum of the numbers will be 34. This row will contain the same. See this column. 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 16, that will be equal to 34. See how. 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 16, that is 34. Now in this column, when you are adding these numbers, the answer will be 34. Like that way, in this column, if you will add the numbers, that will be equal to 34. Same in this column even also, and same in this column even also. Diagonally means like this way. If you will add the numbers like this way, you will get 34. See how. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 11, 18. 18 plus 16, 34. Answer will be, when you will plus these numbers diagonally, you will get 34. Diagonally, if you will add these number even also, you will get 34. Let us see a 3 into 3 magic square numbers with numbers from 1 to 9. In 3 into 3 magic square number, we are supposed to use numbers between 1 to 9 only, not above than that. Now see, magic square 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 3s are 9, you will get 9 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the numbers, see the numbers here. In the above square, the sum of the numbers in any row, any column or any diagonally is 15. Now see how. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. Like this only, this will be also 15. See this row? All columns are what? If you will add this column numbers, that will be equal to 15. This column numbers, that will be equal. Like that way. Just take first row. Add the numbers in the first row. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Like that way, if you will add these numbers, the answer will be 15. Like this way, you will add these number, answer will be 15. Now see diagonally. Diagonally, it will be also, the sum of the number will be also 15. Now see how? 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. If you will add this side even also, the result will be what? 15. Homework in the notebook, magic square 4 into 4 and magic square 3 into 3. This magic square contains the number 1 to 16. This is 4 into 4. The magic square will contain only 1 to 16 numbers, and every row, column and 2 main diagonals added to 34. Can you fill in the missing entries? I will see whether you will be able to do or not. Okay, I will see on Wednesday how many students have done in that Zoom class. Now here, this diagonally, if you will write number and plus, you will get what? 34. This diagonally also 34. Here also 34. This also you will get 34. Now see, magic square this 3 into 3. The result will be here in first one 15. Sum of that rows, columns, and if we will add diagonally, the sum answer will be 18. So do this in the notebook. Look at the pattern of numbers above in the hexagon, where each side has a diamond and 2 circles. Each side hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides will be there? 6 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. In the 6 sides, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each contains how many? 6 diamonds. Sorry, each contain 1 diamond. Total is what? 16 diamonds. Like this way. 6 circle. And just look at the numbers 60 in the diamond. Look at this number 60 in the diamond. Which is the product of numbers in the circle along its side, that is 12 and 15. Now the product is what? 60. Answer is what? 60. Multiple is what? 60. And what is the factor of this 60 multiple? 12 and 5. 12 5s are 60. Or you can say the product of 12 and 5 is what? 60. This you are supposed to do in the notebook. What number will come here? You are supposed to do after then multiply this and this number. Final product will be written here. After then multiply these. Answer will be here. After then multiply these. Answer will be from these. Answer will be here. Like that way only do these one. Sorry, do this. These numbers you have to solve. Square numbers. When a number is multiplied by itself, the number we get is a square number. Example, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here 1 is a number, multiplied by itself, that is 1, equal to 1. Here 2 is a number multiplied by itself 2, that is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Now here see, 1 square, 1 into 1, 1 square, 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. How many squares you are supposed to do? 2 2s are 4 square. 2 here, 2 rows and 2 columns make what? 4 squares. Like that way, 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns makes what? 9 square. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. When number 3 is multiplied by itself, that is equal to 9, and this 9 is what? Square number. 9 is what? Square number. Same here. 16 is what? Square number. 25 is what? Square number. 36 is what? Square number. Why? The 6 into 6 means 6 is a number multiplied by itself 6, that is equal to 36. And when you will see this, when 6 rows and 6 columns are multiplied, you will get 36 square. These numbers can be arranged in the form of square using dots or in a square shape. Now here you have seen the arrangements in the square shape. Now see in the dot shape. This is 1 dot, 1 into 1. Here 1, at the above it is written 2 in small. So it means 1 per power 2. 2 power is what? 2. 3 power is what? 2. It means that 3 multiplied by number itself, how many 3's has been multiplied? 2 times. So 3 will contain power 2. Here 4, number itself has been multiplied. 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 can be written like this. 4 at the above 2, it means square. 4 per power square. 5 square. Now see how the dots has been arranged. 1 dot. Here 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, written like this. 2 into 2 can be written like this. 3 into 3 can be written like this. 4 into 4 can be, and 5 into 5 can be written like this. Here how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each row contain 5 dots. Each columns also contain 5 dots. That means what? 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Triangular numbers. Numbers which can be arranged in the form of triangle using dots are called triangular numbers. Here 1, 3, 6, 10 are triangular numbers. See how? Observe that in second triangle we have 3 dots, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. In third triangle we have 6 dots. In third triangle we have 6 dots, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Sum of the first 3 countings number. In fourth triangle you have 10 dots. How many dots? 10 dots we have. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10. See how? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Similarly, we can say that 10th triangular number will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. That will be equal to 55. Now see how? This is what? Numbers. These are what? Numbers and sum. Addition of that numbers. See how? 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 15. These all are what? Triangular number. These all are what? Triangular numbers. Explanation done. Complete the exercise in the notebook and scrapbook as well. Thank you.